Are you looking for a spectacular, one-of-a-kind Fieldstone farmhouse on more than 4 acres?
How about one that's been completely updated inside and out so you don't have to? All that and more on today's episode.
You know, Adam, so many people love the idea of living on a fairy tale farm with a picturesque property away from the hustle and bustle.
That's right, Jules. These properties certainly do have a huge draw to them, and complete with the tree-lined driveway, this one is absolutely picturesque and to die for. But let's face it, one of the common objections that we find about homes built in this era are that they're going to require an absolute ton of work and money in order to bring them up to today's living standards. Well, this is why we have something truly unique for you here today. The property we're about to show you has been completely restored, both cosmetically and mechanically, by the current owners, so that you don't have to spend any of those hard-earned dollars. This place is one of a kind. You have all new windows, doors, roof, as well as updated mechanical and electrical, not to mention heating and cooling. Plus, all the interior cosmetics have been done to a T. This one is to die for.
You know, Adam, this sounds like a fairy tale. Welcome to our newest listing at 2474 Old Second Road North. Welcome inside this stunning Fieldstone farmhouse. There is so much to love about this property. Let's head inside and see Adam for all the details.
So much to love about this home is right. The current owners have done an absolutely tremendous job of maintaining and preserving the natural character and charm of this 1860s farm home, while also making the improvements that you need to live in it in the 21st century. Now, one of the common objections we find about homes built in this era is that sometimes they can feel tight or the rooms feel a little bit cramped. Well, not with this one. We have nearly 2,100 square feet of finished living space, including this incredible sized living room that I'm in right now, complete with wood burning fireplace, all flowing beautifully into your updated kitchen.
As Adam mentioned, this home has such a spacious feel with 9-foot ceilings and so much natural light. This front parlor room is currently being used as a home office, but could easily be transformed into a beautiful formal dining room. This lower level is rounded out by main floor laundry and a 4-piece bathroom that's been completely updated.
Welcome to this absolutely incredible second level. Now, if this isn't something out of a magazine, I don't know what is. Renovated only 4 short years ago, it was taken back to the studs and rebuilt incredibly tastefully. You have 12-inch baseboard throughout this level, incredible hardwood floors, not to mention they've solved for another challenge with homes built in this era. Typically, they didn't come with a ton of storage in the bedrooms. Well, they've solved for that as well. You have a wall of storage here in the master, as well as built-ins in both of the second and third bedrooms.
Speaking of magazine worthy, check out this bathroom. By eliminating a 4th bedroom, the current owners were able to create this spa-like retreat, complete with in-floor heating, a clawfoot tub, and a giant, beautiful glass shower.
If that farmhouse wasn't dreamy enough for you, the true magic of these rural properties is in the property itself. And at 4.3 acres, this one certainly gives you all of the room that you're looking for. Also, it comes with 2 additional structures on the property, including this incredible barn we're standing in right now.
Not only is this property spectacular, so are all the ones surrounding it. How about that view for your morning coffee? For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.